Welcome to Big Truck Time. Think trucks are boring, big, noisy, slow? Wrong. Some military trucks have abilities that sound like they came straight out of a Marvel movie. These monsters can drive through rivers, survive bombs, and even sneak up on you in total silence. Yes, silence. A 30-ton ghost on wheels. Here's the truth, today's military trucks are not just transport, they are fortresses, spies, robots, and sometimes even ninjas. Forget hauling gear, these beasts carry secrets. And once you hear what they can do, you'll never look at an ordinary truck the same way again. So let's start the video. The silent ninja trucks. Imagine standing in the woods at night. Everything is quiet. Crickets chirp, the air is still. Then a massive truck rolls right past you and you hear nothing. That's no trick, that's hybrid military tech. Mac Defense has created hybrid electric tactical trucks for the US Marines. They call it Silent Watch. It means a truck can run its sensors, radios, even weapons while the engine stays dead quiet. No rumble, no smoke, just silence. These hybrids can even ford through water up to 5 feet deep. Think about that, while your SUV complains about a puddle, these beasts swim humor moment. It's like watching a refrigerator sneak across the forest floor. Creepy, right? But for soldiers, that silence means survival. And in modern warfare, being unseen and unheard often matters more than sheer firepower. It's stealth in the form of steel, the blast-proof beasts. If silence doesn't impress you, how about invincibility? Enter the Oshkosh MATV, part of the MRAP family. MRAP stands for Mine-resistant Ambush Protected. Translation: these trucks laugh at bombs. The MATV has a V-shaped hull. That shape deflects blasts away from the crew. Add modular armor that can be swapped depending on the threat. Add giant run-flat tires that keep going even after being blown to pieces. Result: a truck that can drive through an explosion, shrug, and keep rolling. It's not just a truck, it's a Swiss Army knife on wheels. Some versions carry remote weapon stations, others carry anti-drone lasers, some even act as ambulances. Imagine calling an Uber and an armored war machine shows up. 5 stars, definitely. And for soldiers, that versatility means one machine can fill many roles, saving time, money, and lives. Funny thought, if Chuck Norris were a vehicle, he'd be an MATV, and even Chuck might ask this truck for backup. The shapeshifters. Now picture this, a convoy of trucks passes through a city. They look normal, civilian vans, maybe even a food truck. But surprise, one's a medevac, another hides a mortar launcher, and that one that looked like a delivery van? Yeah, it's a command center. This is the idea behind modular and disguised trucks. The French VBMR Griffin is a prime example. Its rear module can be swapped like Lego pieces. Troop carrier one day, ambulance the next. And it's loaded with tech radar, shot detection sensors, active protection systems. It's like Optimus Prime's more practical cousin Dot Humor Time. Imagine ordering tacos and getting artillery instead. Talk about a surprise combo meal. For militaries, this adaptability creates the ultimate trick. Trucks that hide in plain sight, ready to transform at a moment's notice. The robot convoys. Now let's move to trucks that drive themselves. Yes, you heard that right. Self-driving war machines. The US Army has been testing autonomous kits for its heavy tactical trucks. Here's how it works. One truck has a driver. The rest, they follow automatically, like steel ducklings in a row. No drivers, no complaints about pay, no coffee breaks. This reduces risk. If a convoy is attacked, fewer soldiers are exposed. It also means smoother logistics. Convoys that move non-stop, no rest required. It's like watching a ghost parade, only instead of floats, you get armored beasts rolling silently into battle. And with AI upgrades, these convoys could eventually react to threats without a single human word. Funny image. Imagine being overtaken on the highway by a line of 40-ton trucks with nobody inside. Creepy? Definitely. Cool? Absolutely. The Secret Service's secret ride. Not all secret trucks are for battlefields. Some protect presidents. Everyone knows the Beast, the presidential limo. But here's the twist. The US Secret Service is developing camouflaged off-road vehicles with GM Defense. These SUVs are designed to blend in. They don't scream VIP. They whisper, "Nothing to see here." Instead of looking like tanks in suits, they look like rugged trucks you'd park outside a mall. But under the hood, armor, weapons, advanced comms. perfect for protecting leaders without drawing fire. These stealth rides turn public spaces into shields without alerting anyone nearby. Humor moment. Imagine standing in a parking lot. You see a row of ordinary SUVs. One of them can stop bullets, deploy countermeasures, and outdrive an off-road racer. Surprise! That's not your neighbor's Tahoe. And it could save lives without ever revealing its true nature. The Landmine Lapper, the MATV takes toughness to another level with a monocoque hull and advanced suspension. It's built to drive right over improvised explosive devices. Landmines say boom, MATV says meh. What's crazy is its adaptability. Armor kits can be swapped on the battlefield. One mission needs extra protection, bolt it on. Another requires speed, swap it out. Combine that with long-range communication systems, and the MATV becomes a survivor that refuses to quit. And unlike older armored vehicles, it doesn't sacrifice mobility for toughness. Here's the humor twist. If roads had Yelp reviews, the MATV would write, IEDs were mid, still 5 stars. In fact, it might be the only vehicle to leave a battlefield and leave feedback. The Cybertruck twist, and now the weirdest one, Tesla's Cybertruck. Yes, the same stainless steel electric pickup your tech-obsessed neighbor brags about, except now it's showing up in war zones. In Ukraine, modified Cybertrucks have been spotted with machine guns bolted on. Their stainless steel body makes them tough. Their electric motors make them quiet. Suddenly, Elon Musk's sci-fi pickup looks more like a war machine than a camping toy. The US Air Force even began testing ways to blow them up. Why? Because if enemies start using them, the military has to be ready. Imagine training to destroy a truck that was originally marketed as a family car. It's proof that civilian tech can sometimes blur into battlefield innovation. Funny spin. One day you're hauling groceries. The next day, the Pentagon is asking, how do we stop this thing? Talk about an upgrade, and maybe the strangest glow-up in automotive history. Ghosts, fortresses, robots, and shapeshifters. Step back for a moment. Military trucks used to be simple. An engine, a bed, and maybe a tarp. Now they are ghosts in the forest. Fortresses that laugh at bombs. Robots that follow each other like obedient steel puppies. Shapeshifters that turn from ambulances into artillery. And even Cybertrucks that trade camping gear for weapons. Every one of these trucks tells a story, not just of technology, but of human creativity and survival. Behind every upgrade is the same goal, to protect lives and outsmart danger. And that makes these machines more than steel and wheels. They're characters in the drama of modern warfare. They stand as reminders that innovation often comes from necessity, forged under pressure. Why these stories matter. You might never ride in one of these trucks. You might never even see one outside of a news clip. But the stories they carry are unforgettable. They show how innovation and imagination turn ordinary machines into extraordinary legends. For storytellers, these trucks are gold. Imagine writing a thriller where the hero hides inside a truck that looks like a delivery van but is actually a mobile command post, or a sci-fi script where an army of silent electric trucks creep through enemy lines. These machines aren't just tools, they're inspiration. And for engineers, they're a glimpse of the future, where today's experiments become tomorrow's standards. And here's the kicker, today's secret abilities could become tomorrow's normal. The self-driving military convoy of 2025 could inspire the self-driving civilian highway convoy of 2030. The silent hybrid could lead to your silent neighborhood garbage truck. Even the Cybertruck, yes, the meme car, could change how wars and maybe road trips are fought. The line between battlefield tech and civilian life is thinner than we think. Military trucks today aren't just vehicles. They're stealthy, bomb-proof, shape-shifting, even autonomous machines with extraordinary capabilities. They embody stories of silence, resilience, and survival, transforming ordinary convoys into moving legends. More than tools of war, these machines inspire awe, reminding us that sometimes the most powerful stories come not from people, but from the machines rolling through the dust, carrying secrets unseen. And that's the wild world of military trucks, ghosts, fortresses, shapeshifters, and even Cybertrucks gone rogue. If you enjoyed this ride, smash that like button, drop a comment on which truck blew your mind the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories of machines that are anything but ordinary. Until next time, stay curious, stay unstoppable.